Hero MotoCorp, at the EICMA 2023 trade show in Milan, revealed an array of intriguing two-wheelers, from scooters to visionary concepts. Among these unveilings, the concept 2.5R XTunt stands out, designed explicitly for the thrill-seeking next generation, eager for urban freestyle riding. The bike boasts a unique design, sporting elements borrowed from the new Charisma XMR, flaunting edgy body panels and a modified tail section ideal for stunts. Suspended by USD forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, it rides on 17-inch slick tires, promising precision cornering and maneuverability. While powertrain details remain undisclosed, speculations suggest a 210cc liquid-cooled engine similar to the Charisma XMR, hinting at a possible 250cc displacement for enhanced performance. Accompanying this concept, Hero also introduced the Zoom 160, the company's first maxi scooter, and the Zoom 125R scooter, equipped with 14-inch wheels. Additionally, Hero teases an active Aero technology and follow-me drone functions, promising exciting innovations. Although Hero MotoCorp hasn't revealed timelines for the concept 2.5R XTunt, it hints at a potential addition to their future lineup, a promising street naked with a higher capacity engine.